Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Dr. Jahangir, and you are watching me on my YouTube channel, the FCPS Smart Study. Well, today we are going to discuss the two important MCQ that is the related to the cardiac muscles, and these are highly repeated, and they will indirectly cover the up to 10 MCQs that are highly repeated and high yield. So the cardiac muscle has a long effective refractive period, mainly that is because of point number A, speed, point number 2, length of phase 2, point number 3, level of threshold, and number D, the function of sodium potassium. Now the refractive period means the period during which a second action potential cannot be generated. Now if you see the action potential of the cardiac muscle and other muscle, the duration of action potential of the cardiac muscle is long. Why? Because there is a phase called plateau phase. Now if you see, this is the phase 0, this is phase 1, then this is phase 2, this is phase 3, and then this is phase 4, this is then phase 4 again. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This downward is actually what? This is 3, and this phase is actually 4. This is 4 phase. So the prolonged effective refractive period is because of this thing, phase 2. And what is phase 2? That is the plateau phase. That is the plateau phase, because you cannot generate a next action potential when the one potential is running. And if the duration of one potential that is running is prolonged, then it means the refractive period is prolonged. And this prolonged refractive period is because of prolonged duration of action potential. And what is the most important thing in the prolongation of the action potential in the cardiac muscle? That is the phase 2. Phase 2, plateau phase. So over here, the right option is B, the length of phase 2 of action potential. This is the reference. You can see it is clearly mentioned. The cardiac muscle has a long refractive period compared to the skeletal muscle because of the plateau phase of the action potential. Because of the plateau phase of the action potential. Because of the plateau phase of the action potential. And what is its importance? Its importance is, now if you see further, read it further. If you read it further, here it is mentioned. If another impulse reaches the cardiac muscle during the first action potential, it cannot produce another contraction and prevents tetanic contraction. Now there is another MCQ. In the cardiac muscle, the tetanic contraction is prevented because of, answer is, prolonged refractive period or plateau phase of the cardiac action potential. Why the tetanic contraction is not present in the heart muscle? Because of the prolonged refractive period, and that prolonged refractive period is because of the plateau phase. So you have indirectly covered other MCQs as well. So coming to another MCQ, which depiction about ionic basis for action potential of ventricular cell is faulty? Now you have to focus on the word ventricular cell or nodal cell, because in AC node and AV node the action potential is different, and in the ventricular cell the action potential is different. Now if this is phase 0, this is phase 1, this is 2, this is 3 coming down, then this is 4, again 0 coming like this, this is 4. So this is 4, 0, this is 1, this slight bump you can see, this is phase 1, this is phase 2, this is 3. So the phase 0 is because of the leaky sodium channel, also known as the funny current. The phase 1, this is phase 0. The phase 0 is caused by sodium influx. Option A is right. Option B, phase 1 is caused by chloride influx. That is the wrong answer. There is no chloride influx at all. Phase 2 is caused by calcium influx and potassium efflux. Yes, that is the right answer. And phase 3 is caused by potassium efflux. Yes, that is the right answer. And this small bump is produced due to the potassium efflux. Then this is potassium efflux. So the option here is phase 1 is caused by chloride influx. This is the faulty answer. This is the rest are right. So thanks for watching. If you think I should continue my videos, share my channel, and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of my new video. Thanks for watching.